want to make a snow cave.
Okay, put it over there. Make it over there.
Oh, in the back?
Yeah.
But there's no space over there.
In the front.
What? At the front?
Right there.
This?
Yeah.
But this is tall. That's not tall. But that's not tall. That one. That over there. They're like the back over there. The back will go. Now first, we have to shovel the snow and put it on top.
Rồi tuyết nhiều quá.
Hả?
Bão.
What?
Snowstorm.
Storm. Need a spot to chew. Yeah.
No, start from the top. Yeah. Let us know.
I'm currently trying to finish this area. It's going well.
Does it to your knees? What's up? Winter storm. The snow is covered. Just 1 second of snow.
I mean, we can put them out.
Anyways, here's.
Okay, you can close it now.
Oh, that's ours? Hey, get the package, Aaron.
Huh?
Get the package.
That's not.
Go get it, go get it.
Your delivery.
Yeah, thank you.
One more.
One more? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just need to take a picture of that one.
Yeah, okay. Can
Take
you?
a picture?
Yeah, go ahead.
Is that one as well okay?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
I'll give it to mommy.
Over here, this way. It's dry.
Hey, mommy.
Okay, what was that, Kaylin? Aaron, go clean your face.
Really? I'll do a simulator.
Kaylin, can you put your hood on? Kaylin, put your hood on. You got snow all over here. It's gonna be cold. Why are you putting up, blocking our way?
I'm making that slide.
Yeah, but you're blocking our way.
No.
Why can't you make it over there in the corner?
I'm gonna do a big one. This is too small.
You guys are blocking my way. I can go on.
Where are you going?
Crazyville.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Well.